In this pandemic situation, most of the people are losing their jobs due to many reasons. We need money. We cannot spend a single moment of life without money. So we have to earn more and more from any corner of the world in this bad situation. If you don't have any previous knowledge or experience or skill, you can earn by following this video step by step. In this video, I want to share how you will get paid from 5 trusted website by typing CAPTCHA without any types of skill. So before starting this video, I could request to subscribe my channel, and if you want to get lots of videos from making money online, I could request to watch my previous videos. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, share more and more. And on the other hand, if you want, the first website is called Kolotibablo.com. Kolotibablo.com is one kind of amazing and trusted website to earn extra cash by completing the CAPTCHA typing work from this website. So this website has started their journey in 2007. Most of the people are earning from this website easily without any types of hesitation. So how you will start your journey on this platform? First of all, you have to create your account by providing all types of information on kolotibablo.com. So if you come to this page, you will get these 3 options: login, register, and recover. If you have any previous account on this platform, just click on this login button, and if you want to create a new account, just click on this register button over here. And after creating your account, you will get the link on this on your email altogether, and just click on this over here, and you will get this amazing feature. After coming here, you have to settings your profile. I mean, just click on this profile button here, and just you have to provide all the information: your name, language settings, this one is date of birth, and this one is gender, and just click on this save profile over here. Now I'd like to share how you will start earning from here. If you come to this options: work via web, work via app, send money, tag ads, streets, referrals, more jobs over here. Then first of all, I would like to click on this, and you will get lots of CAPTCHA typing jobs on this interface, and you have to fill up all types of CAPTCHA typing jobs on this particular interface. This one is another CAPTCHA typing, or I think you will get lots of CAPTCHA typing course over here. This one is, I mean, number 5 1 6. That's it. Press the enter button, and we'll get the another caps over here: X E L L B H. Okay, just press the enter button. Alright, I have completed some work on this platform. You can do most of the CAPTCHA typing works over here. First one, this is reCAPTCHA solving. This one is image CAPTCHA solving. This one is fun CAPTCHA. This one is G-test CAPTCHA, and next one is ace CAPTCHA over here. So you can earn more and more from this website over here. First of all, I have shared about Kolotibablo.com. Now I like to share another one. This is called Mega Typers.com. Mega Typers.com. Lots of people are working on this platform. These people are students, parents that need a second job, people in between jobs, mothers that stay at home. So you can earn extra cash by using this megatypers.com. How much you earn depends on the amount of work that you do. Our top typers earn between 100 typer credits and $50 typer credits each month. Our payment rates start from $0.45 typer credits for each 1000 word images typed, and can go as high as up to $1.5 over here. So this is the best and easiest way to earn extra cash from 1000 or easily. So if you calculate just after completing 1000 word, you will get paid $1.5 over here from only one website. If you complete 3000 CAPTCHAs altogether, you will get paid total 3 into 1.5, you will get paid $4.5 per day. If you count like this for 30 days, you will get paid like this $135 from only website by completing the CAPTCHA typing job. So next one, I cordially request to start your journey on to CAPTCHA.com. This one is amazing website to complete your CAPTCHA typing work on this platform. First of all, create your account. Just click on this register button here, and there are lots of work over here, and you will get paid by using this one. Rate it 0.76 per 1000 normal CAPTCHAs, and solving speed 17,000, and service load 45%, working online 761, and this one is per 1000 reCAPTCHAs you will get paid $2.99, and this one is a reCAPTCHA solving speed 339 seconds and 49%, and this one is also working online 3208 people or workers on this platform over here. So I cordially request you to use this website altogether for earning extra cash from any corner of the world in this bad situation. Now I'd like to share another one. This is called CaptchaTypers.com. CaptchaTypers.com. This one is amazing website to start your journey. Just create your account, providing all the informations, and login, start your work, start working from here. I mean CaptchaTypers.com. This one is called ProTypers.com. This one is also like MegaTypers.com altogether, and you can start your work on this platform altogether. What type of people can work on this platform? First of all, mothers that stay at home, parents that need a second job, students, people in between of over here. So I cordially request to start your journey over here on these 5 websites for ensuring extra cash from any corner of this world by using your computer or your Android phone altogether. But remember, you can use only one account for earning or for working extra working on this 5 websites altogether. So thanks for watching my videos. Till then, I cordially request to subscribe my channel if you did not subscribe, and click the bell button to get all types of notifications here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.